Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, it is Vlogmas Day 11. Oh, yeah, we 10 days away from end. We got 10 more. What, we got 10 more of these? I'm over the hump. The number 11, I'm pretty much over the hump, ain't I? So Christmas is coming up this week, next week. I don't know when y'all gonna see this video. I'm doing them ahead of time. Let's see here. This will come out, yeah, next weekend. Christmas be next Sunday. Next Sunday? What is Christmas on? Sunday? Saturday? Friday? Sunday? Saturday. Christmas is next Saturday, y'all. Yeah. So, I told you the next few videos gonna be all about Christmas stuff. And I've told you Christmas items for me a little bit more fancier than regular old Thanksgiving turkey and dressing, cranberry sauce, even though we have that too, but get a little bit more fancier. So this is a chutney that I like to serve. I started this one about 15 years ago. I like to have with ham. It goes well with ham. You can serve it with fish too. But this goes well with ham. It's all it is a carrot, apple pear chutney. And it's got a lot of ingredients in. It probably look a little bit intimidating, but once you get everything fabricated, cut up, it's very simple to put together. And you can put it, I usually put it in jars. It can stay in the refrigerator 4 to 6 months, even though it don't last that long in my house. But yeah, it's awesome on ham. You can eat it on fish. It's excellent, excellent item. I got some pears here. I got some apples. I got an onion, a couple of oranges. I got some golden raisins. Got some fresh ginger, some cinnamon, nutmeg, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar. Yeah, an onion. Did I say onion? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the onions up, and I'm gonna cut the onions, pear and apple. I'm gonna grate the ginger up, really, really fine. I'm gonna zest the oranges and take some of the juice out of the oranges. We're gonna cook this off. It is gonna take about 15 minutes to do this this recipe. It's awesome. Of course, you cool it down. You can warm it up and eat it on the ham hot. But I like to put mine in the fridge and just put it and eat it with the ham. It's absolutely amazing. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. I'm going to get everything cut up. And we're going to start the cooking. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, I got everything prepped and fabricated here. I got my onions, my pears, my apples, brown sugar, raisins. I got my cinnamon, nutmeg, my ginger. I got the zest of my orange here, my orange juice. My turmeric, what's going to give it, I'm going to show y'all later, it's going to give it that nice, distinct yellow color. And that's it. So y'all, let's get started here. Like I said, it's a very, very simple recipe, y'all. Once you get everything, you know, fabricated up. And I love chutney, I'm telling you. I love this stuff on ham. Okay, we're going to put our onions in here. We just want to sweat them down, y'all. You don't want to brown them. I don't want to brown them off. Just want to get them sweated down here a little. You know, all that moving around here. And all sweated down here. What I'm trying to cut off. Ready? You won't have a lot of, you know, I'm going to do this by layers. Y'all know how I cook. I cook by layers here. Y'all watch that cook. I'm going to do a little something here. Watch a little pot out here. Okay. Now, I got my onions sweated down here. Can y'all see me? Okay, you can see this. Now, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my seasonings to this. I'm going to add my nutmeg and my cinnamon. Get that all incorporated with the onions, y'all. Get the onions all incorporated in there with the onions. Like I said, it's all about building flavor. It's already smelling amazing. Already smelling amazing. Now you can add, you know, a lot of chutney, especially in India, Indian restaurants, they like their spicy. So if you like a real spicy chutney, by all means, you can add some cayenne pepper to this. But I don't like it too spicy, so I'm going to leave the cayenne out. Okay, next thing I'm going to add is some ginger. Fresh ginger. And I always use fresh ginger, y'all. I'm real keen on the fresh ginger and that powdered ginger stuff. Add the fresh ginger. Oh man, that just smells amazing. Nice fresh ginger. It smells amazing, y'all. Got that cooking. Now, what I'm gonna do is add my brown sugar to this. Brown sugar cooking up in here. So we're gonna have like a sweet, little sour in taste with the sweetening. Y'all got we got all kinds of flavors working here. So we'll get that all cooking down here. Brown sugar melted in there good. Come to a little boil here. See that? That's what you want. Want that to come to a little boil. Look at that. Fire up, make sure it's come to a bubbling boil, and that's what you want. See that? I want it to come to a bubble. A bubbling boil, just like that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. You know, you could stop right here and it'd be all right with me, huh? Brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some onions. Shoot, can't go wrong. Now, I'm gonna add a little apple cider vinegar to this, y'all. A little apple cider vinegar, that's what's gonna make it that nice, sweet and soury type kind of taste. Move that along there. Let that cook a little. And we're gonna let this reduce about 2 minutes, y'all. So I'm gonna be back in about 2 minutes. I want this to kind of reduce down and thicken for like 2 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, you want to kind of get like this. You're going to get this consistency. Now, the start of the show. I'm going to add my apples. Now, I like to use Honeycrisp apples, y'all, when I cook with. I think it's a better cooking apple. It's my opinion. If you don't like Honeycrisp, you want to use... I don't like Granny Smiths at all. I like Honeycrisp. So if you don't like the... Honeycrisp, you can use Macintosh. There's all different kinds out there. I'll let this cook down a little. I'm gonna add that's pears, y'all. I'm saying apples. This is my pears. Now here goes my apples. I'm getting ahead of myself, y'all. Just the apples here. That was my pears I first added. And those are Bosch pears. You know, little Asian Bosch pears. You know, I have all different kind of pears, but I like the Bosch pears. Now this is where I'm gonna cook it down, y'all. I'm gonna cook this down by about 6-7 minutes. I'm gonna let this cook. I want this fruit to cook down and soften up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And I'm gonna come back, y'all, after it's nice and tender, and I got 4 more items to add to this. We're gonna have a nice pear apple chutney for my nice honey glazed ham. Vlogmas Day 11. It's on the move. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, now see how it's reduced? I let it cook, make sure it cook the pears and apples by 6 minutes. And this is what you got. Okay, let's keep going here. Now I'm gonna add some turmeric to this. The turmeric is gonna do one thing. It's gonna give you that nice yellowish tint on this. And y'all also know turmeric is a very, very healthy spice. One of the healthiest spices out there. I actually take a half of turmeric every day with honey. It's very healthy for you. You can see how it gives it that nice yellowish tint. That's turmeric gonna do that. See that? See how it changed it to a nice yellowy tint? So we're gonna let it cook down a little. Now we're gonna add some golden raisins to this. Some golden raisins in there. You can't have chutney without raisins, right? Put some golden raisins in there. Oh yeah, we almost through with this thing, y'all. Like I said, it's gonna take a few minutes to do. 30 minutes max, whole cooking time. All right, see how nice that looks? Now, we're gonna freshen this up a little. I'm gonna add some more fresh orange zest to this. Turn that around in there. It's gonna make it have nice freshness when you eat it. Of course, in that orange zest, I had some orange juice left over. I'm gonna pour that orange juice in there. That's gonna really, really make it really nice and fresh tasting. Now, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna cover this up And we'll let it reduce 6 more minutes. And this will be absolutely finished. And we're going to take it off, cool it down. First, I'm going to put it in my jars. I like to put it in jars and let it sit on the counter and cool off in the jars. And I'll put the lid on after it cool down and put it in the refrigerator. But after I let it cool down in the jars, it's going to take about 4 or 5 hours. I'm going to come back and taste it. First, we're going to reduce this down. I'm going to cover it up. Reduce it down another 6 minutes. We're going to come back and it's going to be ready. We're going to put it in the jars. And we're going to have some old school apple pear chutney for the ham. We'll be right back. Oh, yeah. Okay, y'all. We are back. Okay, y'all. Look what we got here. Look what we have. Look at that beautiful golden pretty chutney here. Look at that. That's what you want. Okay. We'll cut it off. And what I like to do, y'all, I have my jars here. And all I do, I'll show y'all one. I just put it in my jars. Ooh, that's hot. I got enough usually to fill up 2 jars. Just like that. And I put it in my refrigerator. And I'm going to put this on my counter. I'm going to do my other jar. And I'm going to come back, y'all, and I'm going to show y'all the final product. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay. All right, y'all, this is what we got here. See that? You can't see the goodness of them yet until I open it up later on. But right now, they're still hot. And like I said, I'm going to let them get room temperature, and then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. See that? It always gives me 2 jars of these. And this, like I say, it's excellent. They're excellent on hams and fish. Chicken you can put it on, but I like it on ham because I like the sweetness of it and a little tanginess. It just goes well. The apples just go good with pork and pears too. So anyway, I'm gonna be back here in about probably 4 hours or whatever before I really actually close the video out, and I'm gonna let y'all know actually how this tastes. I'm gonna open them up and put a little on the plate because I don't like it hot. I like it completely cold, y'all. So anyway, this when I do a ham probably coming up tomorrow, and I'm gonna eat this with the ham. I know somebody gonna say, "Can I get the recipe for the pear apple chutney?" Always one person asked me that. And I always tell them the recipe is just posted the day before. I don't know if they just hopped onto the channel. Maybe they just hopped on to the family, just hopped onto the channel, and that was the first video they seen or whatever. And even with the ham video, I'm gonna put a link to this video in the honey glazed ham video, which is awesome too, my ham. So anyway, I'll be right back here in about 4 hours. I ain't gonna close this video out. I'll be back in 4 hours and then we'll close the video out. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, these been in the fridge about 3 hours here. I already done sealed on there, y'all. Already sealed on there, just that quick. Let me show y'all something here. The turmeric makes it turn yellow. Look at that. See that? This chutney, I'm telling you. Oh my God. I'm telling y'all. With the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the ginger, all that, orange juice, all them flavors, y'all. This with a ham, like I say, I'm gonna do a ham tomorrow. I'm gonna add this with it. Now you might, this might not be something that you like. I love it. I love apples. I love pears. You can actually omit what you don't like. If you don't like ginger, don't put ginger. You don't like nutmeg, don't put nutmeg. If you don't like pears, use pineapple. This is a nice little video I want to throw in on Vlogmas month, Vlogmas week. So give y'all a kind of outside the box things. Like I said, I had to put my chef jacket on today because it's not really old school. It's just something that's really good. I'm all about flavors as a chef, cooking throughout the year. So anyway, Vlogmas Day 11 is in the books. So if you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please comment. I read and I acknowledge all comments, as y'all can see. I might not answer them, but I will give you a thumbs up and a heart, and to let you know if you took the time to write something. I'm gonna take the decency to acknowledge you. That's just like if somebody say good morning. It's just the decency and the respect to say good morning or good afternoon back. And that's just my way of doing it. And I'm gonna keep doing it as long as I can. I got 100 and about to go over 116,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I still acknowledge every comment. I might miss one here and there because the way YouTube does it, some of them I can't get to, and they'll hold back for about a few days. But might be some word in there I have a kind of restriction on there. If there's a word on there that I don't like, they'll hold it until I can approve it. So sometimes you might say something, not trying to be offensive, but the way it's written, YouTube will hold it back until I approve it. So anyway, until other than that, you'll see I acknowledge every comment. So anyway, like I say, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video, meaning tomorrow. I love y'all. Bye. Vlogmas Day 11 done.